I'm about to reveal how people are making thousands of dollars by creating millionaire affirmation videos with AI, something no one else is talking about. Plus, I've got a secret technique for scaling this idea and making even more money. You don't want to miss this, so let's dive in. Just the other day, I stumbled upon a channel that focuses exclusively on affirmation videos. And let me tell you, it's raking in views like crazy. For example, one of their videos on becoming a millionaire gained 107,000 views in just a few months. Way more than my recent uploads. This content is in high demand right now, and even with only 500,000 subscribers, only 63 videos, they're pulling in thousands of dollars every month. Imagine the potential. But here's the crazy part, don't tell anyone. There's virtually no video on YouTube explaining how to create these affirmation videos. I'm gonna walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can start building your own profitable channel. Just check out this video I created using AI, proof that anyone can do it.
I am a magnet for wealth. Abundance flows to me effortlessly. My actions create constant prosperity. Every day I attract more and more opportunities. Money comes to me easily, frequently, and abundantly.
Now, here's a pro tip. To make this formula work, you must stay consistent with your uploads. The channel I mentioned uploads 3 to 4 videos a month, each about an hour long. And here's the thing, even if not every video goes viral, the momentum from consistent uploading will automatically grow your channel. My mission today is to show you how to start a similar channel with the help of AI. And ChatGPT is your GOLDMINE in this method. First up, let's talk about ChatGPT. This tool is a game changer. Here's what you do. Type in this prompt. Write a script. Mention the length of your video for an affirmation video on a specific topic. You can pick topics like self-love, confidence, abundance, wealth, and more. ChatGPT will generate a script that's not only on point, but tailor-made for your video. But wait, let's make it even better. I'll show you exactly how to do it. I'm making the length 1 minute and choosing wealth as my specific topic. Boom. ChatGPT instantly gives us the opening scene, complete with a voice suggestion that's calm, confident, and perfect for this type of video. Pro tip, make sure to ask ChatGPT to separate the prompts from the narration so it's easier to copy when generating your videos. And here's where things get interesting. ChatGPT will even give you the exact prompts to generate your visuals using another AI tool. How cool is that? But before we go any further, I need your help. If you're finding this helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe for more killer tips like this. I promise it'll be worth it. Next, let's generate the voiceover using 11 Labs. Hands down, the most popular AI voice generator out there. If you don't want your video voiceover to sound robotic,
next, let's generate
this is the tool you need. Head over to the voice library and pick the voice ChatGPT recommended, a calm and confident male voice. Here's the fun part. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the script and paste it into 11 Labs. Pro tip. Separate the lines so the voiceover reads the script line by line, making it sound natural and realistic. Hit generate and let's give it a listen.
I am a magnet for wealth. Abundance flows to me effortlessly.
Sounds amazing, right? Download it with just one click and it's ready to go. This is where things get really exciting. We're gonna turn our text into a full-fledged video using Hyper AI. Here's how it works. Visit ChatGPT again and copy the prompt for the video generation and paste the prompt into Hyper AI. Select 4 seconds duration. It's free. And the aspect ratio for YouTube 16:9, resolution as HD. Hit create for free and watch the magic happen. Here's something you didn't expect. While Hyper AI is generating the video, I'm gonna create another scene using a different prompt from ChatGPT. Remember, the more content you generate, the more likely you are to hit that viral jackpot. Keep going with all the prompts ChatGPT gave you. It's like having an entire production team at your fingertips. But hold up, we're not done yet. Let's step it up a notch with Kling AI, another powerhouse tool that turns text into video. Kling AI is known for its high-quality cinematic video creation. Just paste in the text from ChatGPT, set the relevance to 0.6, and choose the standard model. Now, here's where the magic happens. Select your camera movement. You've got options like pan, zoom, and more. I'm going with pan. It adds a dynamic touch that makes the video pop. Hit generate, and let's see what Kling AI cooks up for us. Hyper AI has just generated our video, and wow, it's incredible. The first prompt was a scene of a sunrise with golden light reflecting off a calm sea, and it's spot on. Here's a twist. The second video just finished rendering. Check this out. The prompt was a close-up of a hand holding golden coins, slowly letting them fall through the fingers. And it's stunningly realistic. It looks like a real human hand, but guess what? It's AI. Let's see if Kling AI can top that. Kling AI has also finished generating the video, and it's nothing short of amazing. We use the same prompt. A close-up of a hand holding golden coins, slowly letting them fall through the fingers. And honestly, this one might look even more realistic than the Hyper AI version. Here's the thing, you could use stock footage, but why settle for that when you can create something truly unique? Use the prompts ChatGPT provided, and you'll end up with a final product that's not just good. Feel free to ask me any questions about this process. And if you're finding this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips like this. Mind-blowing. Now, here's where things get interesting. YouTube's fair use policy allows you to legally use other people's content, but you have to be careful to avoid any copyright strikes. Here's the kicker. If you want to include a snippet from another video, it's important to make sure you're using it in a way that's transformative. This means adding your own commentary, critique, or educational value. Essentially, you need to change the original content enough that it becomes something new. So rush over to YouTube. Search for the type of video you're covering in your affirmation videos. My topic is wealth, so I'll look for videos about wealth and luxury. When you find a snippet that fits, make sure it's a short clip and that you add your own unique twist, like voiceover, text overlays, or additional visuals to avoid copyright issues. This technique not only enhances your video, but also keeps you on the right side of YouTube's policies. Here's the moment we've all been waiting for. Editing. This is where your video comes to life. And guess what? You don't need any fancy software to make it look amazing. I'm using CapCut, which is free and loaded with powerful tools. Import your AI-generated clips into the timeline, add your voice over, and start cutting the clips according to the script. Pro tip, listen to one audio line.
I am a magnet for wealth.
Then cut it by pressing Ctrl+B on your keyboard, leaving a 3-second gap before the next line.
I am a magnet for wealth. Abundance flows to me effortlessly.
This technique keeps the pacing smooth and the video engaging. Now, here's where the real magic happens. Cut the videos according to the voiceover, giving each clip 2 to 4 seconds before switching scenes. This boosts retention, keeping viewers glued to the screen. Next, let's add captions. CapCut's auto caption feature is a lifesaver. It generates captions automatically. Customize the font, color, and placement. I like to keep the text in the middle to maximize retention. And don't forget to add some background music. CapCut has a huge library of copyright-free tracks, so pick one that fits the mood of your video.
I am a magnet for wealth. Abundance flows to me effortlessly. My actions create constant prosperity. Every day I attract more and more opportunities. Money comes to me easily, frequently, and abundantly. I am open to receiving all the wealth life offers. My wealth allows me to do good in the world. I am grateful for the financial freedom I enjoy. I am worthy of wealth, and I embrace the endless possibilities it brings.
I've been selling the images of my AI influencer. Check out this video to see how I did it.